I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the problem. Look at the gap at top, middle, and bottom and mark where the door rubs. Once done, loosen but do not remove hinge screws to allow small movements. This prevents mortise damage. Use a level to see tilt and a pencil to mark necessary lift or drop. If screws are stripped, replace with longer wood screws for deeper bite. Make sure to support the door while adjusting so it does not sag or bind. Next, focus on hinge positioning to correct the full swing. You will move the hinge leaf slightly up or down and tighten the top screw first to hold the change. Then check the gap and tighten remaining screws. If the frame needs slight spacing, insert thin cardboard shims behind the hinge, not more than 1 or 2 layers, to shift the jamb outward. If a narrow spot persists after hinge fixes, remove small amounts from the door edge with a plane, always testing the fit as you go. Finish by confirming the latch enters the strike plate smoothly and the door closes without force. If the strike is misaligned, loosen it, position using the closed door as a guide, then tighten or file the plate for clearance. Once satisfied, fully secure all screws and test the door through multiple swings and seasons. If you still have binding, inspect the jamb for twist or rot. Replace or sister the jamb if compromised.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.